basic pork and vegetable miso soup. Burdock. To peel the skin of the burdock, rub the surface with crumpled aluminum foil. If you rub it while running it under water, it will become this green. Cut it into irregular pieces. Place it in a bowl and soak it in water. Remove the bitterness from the burdock. Daikon radish. Use about 3 cm. Peel. Cut the daikon. Cut it into slices about 5 mm thick. Cut it into ginkgo leaf shapes. Use about 3 cm of carrot. Cut the carrot. Cut off the end. Cut it into slices about 5 mm thick. Cut it into ginkgo leaf shapes. Half-moon slices are also okay. Onion. Cut it in half and use only one half. Cut off the both end. Cut it into slices about 2 mm thick. Slice the green onion diagonally into thin pieces. Trim the ends of the green beans. Cut them diagonally into 3 to 4 pieces. Pork belly. Cut into 3 cm wide pieces. Add sesame oil to the pot. Turn on the heat. Add all the vegetables except for the green beans and stir fry. Add pork. Spread the meat out and stir fry well. Add water 800 cc. Dashi broth 2 teaspoons. Bring to a boil. Remove the scum. Turn off heat before adding miso. Add 1.5 tablespoons, which is half of the miso. Dissolve miso. Simmer on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Miso. Turn off heat before adding miso. Add the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of miso. Dissolve miso. Add the green beans. Warm it without bringing it to a boil. Tasting. Yummy. Ready to eat. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.